piece from the spike.
Oh no.
The tiniest piece.
Oh.
Look at that white thing on my finger.
I see it. This is an update. See the original video, please click right there. But this is that cucumber, the one I put down inside of the milk container. We've already harvested 2 large cucumbers from this. In that video, you can see right there. But it's okay, look at this. But it's continuing to give. If you look right there, there's a baby right there. There's a decent one right there. There's one here, and there's a mighty one right there. But that's all. Quick video for today. I just wanted to show off that my method actually works. So please, give it a try. Don't claim it as yours. And as always, peace from the Garden of Feodora. And don't forget, please subscribe or just hit the like button. It helps us out a lot. And as always, peace from the Garden of Feodora.